Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a new project in the HuiMaiTech multi-axis simulation software. Actually, there are two ways. The first, we can use the file and click the new. This is the first way. The second way, we can use the shortcut icon in the toolbar. Click here and we should select machines from the list. In this case, I click the Micron 500 use machine and clicked OK. Now we enter an environment with this machine. At first, we should be power on and click the CE for clearing all the data. Okay, this is the two ways to create a new project, and then we can continue do the other jobs. Thanks for watching.